Very welcome to the student. This is video 7 of chapter 3, that is function in Python. In this video you will learn about scope of variable. This is the third part of the same topic. In this video you will learn about non-local keyword.
This means that the variable can be neither in the local nor the global scope. What it means? It means if we have to use non-local variables, that then we have to create nested functions, or you can say non-local variables are used in nested functions only. Okay, let's see an example of how a global variable is created in Python. We use non-local keyword to create non-local variable. Okay, I am creating a function. Name of the function is outer. In the body of the outer function, I am defining a variable x and giving value local. In the body of outer function, one more function I am going to define inner. This is nested function. If we are going to define a function inside the function, then we called it nested function. It means inner is a nested function of outer. Here again we have to use the same variable x. Then we have to use non-local keyword. Okay, if we have to define the same variable name as we have defined in the outer function, then we have to use non-local keyword. Okay, x is equals to non-local. Print x inner x is equals to x I am calling this function inner function. Okay, then after outer x is equals to x, then at last I am calling outer function. What I have done here, first time here I am calling inner function. Okay, then after at last I am calling outer function. When we will call inner function, then the body of the inner will be executed, and the body of the inner, here the value of x is non-local. Okay, then after I am printing here the value of x. See what value will be here. The value of x will be here non-local. This. Okay, see the output. Inner is equals to non-local. As I said, the outer is also non-local. Okay, what I have done in this code, there is a nested inner function, there is a nested inner function. Okay, this function I use non-local keyword to create non-local variable. This x is a non-local variable. Okay, the inner function is defined in the scope of this is the scope. This whole is the scope of outer function. Okay, and the inner function is defined in the scope of another function, that is outer function. Okay, one thing you have to keep in your mind, if we are going to change the value of the non-local variable, then this changes will appear in the local variable also. See, if we are going to change the value here, suppose I'm going to give the value computer science, then the changes appear in the global variable also. Okay, so your topic global variable as well as local variable and non-local variable is over. You have to revise this topic. Okay, next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.